Wow, we hit 20,000 subscribers. A massive thank you. We are absolutely blown away, and we're bursting with gratitude. This journey has been incredible, and it's all thanks to you, our amazing community. When we started this channel, we never imagined reaching this milestone. It was a passion project, a way to teach and inspire in this creative field. To see that passion resonate with so many people is truly humbling. Every like, comment, and share fuels our motivation to create better content, explore new ideas, and connect with you all on a deeper level. Knowing that you're enjoying our videos, finding them helpful, or simply being entertained gives us such a rewarding feeling. It represents a community of individuals who share similar interests, are willing to learn and grow, and are genuinely supportive of our efforts. It means we're making a difference, even in a small way. It inspires us to keep pushing boundaries and strive for excellence in everything we do. A special thank you to our loyal viewers. You've been with us since the beginning, cheering us on and offering invaluable feedback. We appreciate your unwavering support. And to our new subscribers, welcome to the family. We're so glad you've joined us, and we hope you enjoy the content we have planned for the future. Commentators and engagers. Your comments, questions, and discussions spark conversations and create a vibrant community. Thank you for making this channel interactive and engaging. Anyone who has shared our videos, spreading the word about our channel helps us reach new audiences and grow our community. We're incredibly grateful for your support. How you can continue to support as subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Like and comment on our videos. Your engagement helps our videos reach a wider audience. Share our videos with your friends and family. Help us grow our community and spread the word about our channel. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for your incredible support. We couldn't have reached this milestone without you. Here's to the next 20,000. Sincerely, Bright Photoshop Tutorials.
You